Something really special. I got this furnace here redone. Yeah, it's got that blower. It's got them blowers in there I fixed. And there's the ream inducer. So here we go. Start it on with the remote. That's the first thing that comes on, but that's because the heat exchanger. But we don't have no gas, so we're not going to run the gas because there's no gas to it right now. It does, however, have an igniter, spark igniter right here. That's the igniter. It'd fire up by now. These things are really noisy. First thing that's going to come on is that first stage. It's got 2 stages. It sounds like it's lit. That's because the suction on it's pulling. What we're going to do is, now since we got no, I'm going to demonstrate it. Comes the first blower. It's kind of like a process. You got to plug it in first. Let's do it. This is the first stage. First stage. Here comes second stage. It's pretty noisy. Here we go. There's a lot more air. And it's pulling. And this is the artiduct right there. She's noisy, but this right over here is for a ream unit. Yep, this is a ream inducer. Very noisy for a gas furnace. That's the burner making a noise. It's got 3 burners and a new heat exchanger. This is the big one right here. Right there's a long heat exchanger. These things are tubular. Let's show you the inside. They're wrapped in aluminum foil so nothing happens. Heat exchangers are wrapped in aluminum foil. Repeat, aluminum. This cover's kind of hard to close. What we're going to do is, first thing that comes off is wherever you want the flame off, kill it, do whatever you need to do, turn it down or turn it off. It will shut off. It kills the draft inducer. Spinning off, it's killing itself. It's the first thing. This is in your furnace, if it was in your furnace. It is, however, for a ream, but it's got the cast aluminum. So everybody needs to install these. Steam Lawnmower needs to see my channel. Appreciate it. You did. Well, I'm working though, so got this thing going. How we're gonna do is it's gonna kill the blower right here, the high speed. It's gonna kill itself, and it's gonna go low, and then it's gonna shut off. Or it'll shut all off, is what it usually does. There we go. Automatic. And she's still plugged in. Alright, I'll see you later.